Hi, I'm Dave Lambert. I practice law at Howard Lewis and Peterson. I have been there for more than 40 years. I am both an Aggie and a Cougar. I love both schools. I attended the BYU Law School, and before I joined Howard Lewis and Peterson, I prosecuted criminals for both Utah County and for the city of Orem. It has been a great pleasure for me to work with the fine lawyers and staff at Howard Lewis and Peterson. Yeah, the practice of law is important to me because I get to help people when they are experiencing probably the worst thing that has ever happened to them in their life, such as a car crash or other injury where either they or their wife or their children have been seriously injured, and I get to help them move on with their life. When you have the misfortune to suffer an injury, whether it's from a car crash or the negligence of a doctor, the important thing is to get good advice. And so only an experienced attorney can really tell you if you have a claim that should be pursued. And so it's important to get medical care, of course. Everyone does that first thing. So when a car crash happens, focus on getting better, focus on your family. But when things have settled down to the point that you feel like you would like some help with the nightmare of dealing with insurance companies and their refusal to pay, you need to talk to an experienced lawyer. The important things that people should look for in hiring an attorney is to ask for a referral. So you get the benefit of someone who has worked with that attorney before. TV is not a good way to find an attorney, but your friends and neighbors who have had experiences many times will be able to refer you to a good, experienced attorney. And at Howard Lewis and Peterson, most of our work comes from referrals from people in the community or from other lawyers or even sometimes from judges. The thing that I have enjoyed most in working at Howard Lewis and Peterson is that we are like family. We have long-term employees. We have 3 secretaries who have worked at our firm or still work at our firm who have been with us for more than 40 years. We tend to have great longevity in our employment. We try to be like family. We try to take good care of our clients. Our staff is so important in helping clients deal with the problems that they have come to us to solve. So the other aspect of the Howard Lewis and Peterson family is that we have lawyers who are truly dedicated to helping people. They are good family people. They are involved in their community and their church, and it has been a very harmonious and wonderful experience to work with everyone at Howard Lewis and Peterson. The things that I like to do when I'm not at the office revolve primarily around family, but and also in service to church and community. I, for many years, took scouts up into the wilderness areas of Utah and had wonderful experiences backpacking and hiking and fishing, and that truly was one of my great loves. And so I enjoy giving that kind of service. I have also made it a a practice to be involved in giving service back to my profession, I have served on the Judicial Nominating Commission. I have served on the Judicial Performance Evaluation Commission that judges and gives them ratings and information so that voters can make a choice when a judge is up for retention. So I've also served as the president of the Utah Trial Lawyers Association, and for many years worked in continuing legal education, legislative efforts, and other areas to protect the rights of citizens to have their cases determined in the courts.